In App Dashboard, App is inactive by default. Click on Activate button. Then it redirects to Active Theme where App Embeds is turned on and save it. To create an offer, first navigate to Offer section in the app and then click on Create Offer button. Add offer name in basic details and display text which shown to customers. Then collection or product which customer should buy for the offer has to be selected, which is followed by selecting the products or collection of products which has to be discounted. When you navigate to Widget Options tab, you have option to turn on and off each widgets for the offer. Then in Advanced tab, there is option to select Offer Schedule. Either offer can run continuously or between start and end date. Usage limit per order and discount combination can be selected. Finally, save the offer. You can see new offer which was created is displayed on Offers page. Navigate to Widget Setup page to edit widget configuration. Here you can add content of today's offer widget, gift notification design, header bar design, along with offer content design and product content design. For pop-up upsell widget, you can configure the content, text design, background design, button design, and close button type. For product announcement widget, you can configure the design setup, icon setup, announcement placement, and call to action which can be none, link, or button. For success notification, you can configure design setup, switch preview between discount and gift, add content setup and advanced setup. In the site, if one or more active offers are enabled, today's offer widget is visible. On click of the widget, list of active offer with discounted products are visible. Get Offer Action button will redirect to collection of products which needs to be purchased to avail offer. The list of offer available for on purchase of the products is displayed in Offer Announcement widget. By default, offer announcement is automatically placed on product page. Auto placement depends on the Shopify theme. If you don't like the default placement, click on Add Custom Placement button. The Add Custom Placement button adds App Block widget to product page template in the site theme. You can further adjust placement of announcement widget by dragging the app block. Finally, save the changes. Now, when you refresh the page, the announcement widget updates to placement where the app block was added. To trigger the upsell pop-up, we need to add the product which has the offer. Once the item is added to the cart, upsell pop-up is displayed with the offer title and list of discounted product, and we have option to view the collection of products which are discounted by the offer. Then we will click on Add to Cart button for adding the discounted product to the cart. Then offer is successfully applied and offer notification is displayed. Finally, when you go to the checkout, you can see the buy one get one free offer has been applied. The discount offer notification is displayed when discount is applied after adding product to purchase and discounted product to the cart. Now when discount is applied, the discount offer notification widget is displayed. The free gift offer notification is displayed when discount is applied after adding product to purchase and free gift product to the cart. Now, when free gift offer is applied, the free gift offer notification widget is displayed. You can view how each offers created through app is performing by visiting Analytics section of the app. On Analytics page at the top, you can filter by each offer names. The date range filter allows us to select ranges such as last 7 days, so on, and custom date range selection. The total sales by the offer for given date range along with average order value and total number of orders is displayed. The graph for total sales versus date range is displayed for tracking daily sales. And similarly, total orders versus date range is also displayed. The orders table displays list of all individual orders associated with the offer for the selected date range. In addition, you can also filter by the order name.